When opportunity knocks.
Got the beefed up top A-arms with adjustable, beefed up lower A-arms as well. In the rear, it's got the beefed up upper A-arms and beefed up lower A-arms. Sway bar connected, got the 3-piece mounted wing, so 1, 2, 3 separate wing for the rear. Sway bar in the rear, sway bar in the front. Then it's got belted Duratrax tires, 2-piece rims, and street tires on it. High speed for electronic speed control and Castle motor, brushless. Running a 21-2 steel pinion gear on a 51-2 spur gear. This car do about, last time I clocked it, it did about 52, 53. But originally this car used to do like 13 miles an hour. But I ain't ran it since I beefed it up now, so once we'll find out. Not on this street, too many potholes. but man, you see how the suspension is just sitting there.
It's stiff too.
So it's ready now.
Can you give me a rough number of how much you got in this puppy so far? Without saying it so you don't get in trouble? your wife ain't subscribed to my channel.
Right. No, she do check out your channel.
Oh, okay.
The car itself cost, the car itself was $150 stop. And then of course the bodies run, this particular body with the paint, custom paint and everything.
Oh shoot, it is custom. Oh geez.
Yeah, it's about $50. And then Arma electronic speed control, motor and speed control setup is probably $250 just to start, and then all the other hop-ups after that. So.
And this gas or
it's electric.
Electric.
Yeah. But all that work is done by your boy Bob over at Trap House Hobbies in LA. Shout out to him for doing that. You know what I'm saying? She ready now.
Yeah, I'm ready to see this, man. Shoot, I can't afford it. I already know. I already got enough hobbies. I can't afford. I like this. This hobby looks. All of them become like they always start cheap and then they get expensive.
You're the right person for this hobby though, because you know what I'm saying. You like cars, like me, like Lance. You know what I'm saying. Y'all the right people to be in this hobby because y'all really appreciate cars. You know what I'm saying, like all cars.
Yeah. Yeah, this looks like something like a pit. That's what it looks like. That's how, for me, I'm thinking about the pit that I would go into, because then I had to get everything, and then I'm like, I got to get that new space age plastic. You know what I mean? And I heard about it on the internet, and then all of a sudden I got like a $5,000, you know what I mean? A $5,000 remote control car.
Right.
You know what I mean? And
then
I'd be on going racing like Hellcats with a remote control car. Like, I got you. Let's go.
Yeah,
straight line, baby. Let's go.
That's what you do. So feel how solid that feel though.
Okay, I don't even know. I should be touching it as clumsy as I am. Oh, okay. Okay. It got a little weight to it too.
Yeah. No battery. You know what I'm saying? So
no battery in it?
Nope.
So once you put a battery in it, it probably
They get a little heavier.
A little heavier?
Yeah,
and this boy got those like lithium ion batteries.
Yeah. 3-cell. This running on a 3S. Traxxas 5,000 milliamp battery.
So this is like a Tesla. What? Yeah. Yeah, a Tesla. Yeah. And you said to do like how fast?
Right now, I don't know. Last time I tested it before the hop-ups and everything, I got it to 52-ish, like 52.5. So it was hauling ass. But now with the new beef up, I don't know. Let's see. And then with the street tires, because I did it when I ran in last time at 52, it was in an empty parking lot, so it was a good stretch. I was running it on buggy tires with the spikes on it. So with the street tires,
it might be a little different.
Much bigger, a little bit more grip. suspension's a little tighter now.
You might burn rubber.
We might be able to get her up there. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
For a car that started off doing 15 miles an hour, I'm pretty happy with her. You know, 13 I think it was when me and my son clocked it when he first bought it. So 52, I'll take it.
Man, shoot. All right, let me make sure I get my thumbnail real quick.